Dear students, how are you? Okay, I am also fine. At first, I introduce myself. I am Uttam Kumar Das, Assistant Teacher English, Gazbadi Modern Academy, Kanaigat, Sylhet. Welcome to the students who are watching online class. Dear students, we know that COVID-19 has spread most of the countries of the world. It is not only a serious problem in our country, but also a serious problem all over the world. Dear students, I think all of you miss your classroom because of the problem of COVID-19. Dear students, we know that you have to stay home and stay safe. I hope that you are safe with your family members. Dear students, we know already online class has become a part of student life. You have to follow the online class regularly. Dear students, now I am going to take a class of class 9, 10. My subject is English first paper. Dear students, I hope that you are ready with your English textbook, exercise book and necessary things. Dear students, have you completed your homework? Everyone, have you completed your homework? Okay, very fine. You stand up, tell me your homework. Okay, sit down. You stand up, tell me your homework. Okay, thank you so much. Sit down. You stand up, tell the answer of 3-number question. Okay, your answer is correct. Thank you so much. Sit down. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Everyone, look at the whiteboard. You can see a word reuse. What do you mean about reuse? Can you tell the answer of it? What do you mean reuse? Everyone, tell the answer of this word. What do you mean reuse? Okay, very fine. Reuse means use again or more than once. Reuse means use again or more than once. Okay, dear students, I am sure that everyone has completed your homework. Thank you so much. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Everyone, look at the whiteboard. You can see Partho, Protim, Mojumdar. Have you heard the name of Partho, Protim, Mojumdar? Dear students, have you heard the name of Partho, Protim, Mojumdar? Okay, very nice. Dear students, you have understood about today's lesson. Today's lesson is about flashback. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Dear student, you can find this text, page number 98. Page number 98. Unit 7, lesson 3. Okay, dear students, I am reading the text. Today's lesson is about flashback. Partho Protim Mojumdar was born in 1954 in Pabna to a family of artists. Dear students, be attentive, listen to me and try to understand them. What do you mean? Artist. Artist means professional entertainer or actor. He spent most of his early years in his big ancestral home situated in a small locality known as Kalasad Pada. Dear students, here the word ancestral means inherited from one's ancestor. Dear students, situated means fixed or built in a certain place or position. Dear students, can you understand? Okay, very nice. Next, at that time, Kalasatpada was well known for its cultural activities. Here, the word well known means famous. Next, there were festivals and various types of cultural shows round the year. Mojumdar's father, a photographer by profession, was an art lover. He taught and inspired his son to appreciate different forms of art. He taught and inspired his son to appreciate different forms of art. Here, the word inspired means encouraged. Inspired means encouraged. Appreciate means to value or admire highly or praise. Dear students, let's see the next part of the text. Mojumdar went to live with his aunt in Chandor Nagar, 30 kilometers away from Kolkata in 1966. It was there that he first came across a mime artist named Jogesh Datta. Came across means meet or find by chance. Next, the way Datta narrated stories without uttering a single word left Mojumdar spellbound. Here the word narrated to describe events as they happen or discuss. Uttering means make a sound with one's voice. Next, he took lessons on mime from Datta in his mime academy in Kolkata from 1966 to 1972. He took lessons on mime from Datta in his mime academy in Kolkata from 1966 to 1972. Dear students, I hope that you have made a good idea on the text. I am sure that you are very attentive in the class. Okay, dear students, try to understand. Okay, let's see some important words from the text. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Dear students, look at the whiteboard and start writing. Artist means actors. Dear students, are you writing? Okay. Situated. What do you mean? Situated? Okay, very nice. Located. 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 Next. Inspired. Dear students, are you writing? Everyone, are you writing? Okay. Inspired means encouraged. Next. Appreciate. Appreciate means praise. Dear students, complete your writing. Narrated. You stand up. What do you mean? Narrated. Okay, very nice. Narrated means discussed. Discussed. Dear students, are you writing? Okay. Utter means pronounce. Pronounce. Every student, look at the whiteboard. You can see some given words and their meanings. I am sure that you are writing. Complete your writing. Here, artist means actors. Situated means located. Inspired means encouraged. Appreciate means praise. Narrated means discussed. Utter means pronounce. Okay? Be attentive and complete your writing. Dear students, often at page number 98, here let's see question number A. Read the text and match column A with column B below. You can see column A, column B. Now we have to match column A with column B. Really, we have to make sentence from column A and column B. So, if we make a good idea on the text, we can answer all the questions under the text. So, we have to read the text attentively and carefully. Now, we have to make 5 sentences from column A and column B. Dear students, look at the whiteboard and start writing. Let's see the first number of column A. Majumdar was very much impressed. Majumdar was very much impressed. Now we have to find the next part from column B. We have to make the sentence by meaning. Majumdar was very much impressed when he saw Datto's performance. So, we can make the answer of first number to take E number from B column. 1 plus E. Majumdar was very much impressed. E. We have to take the next part from column B. When he saw Datto's performance. Okay, dear students, are you writing? Okay. Let's see 2 number of column A. We have to match column A with column B. He spent most of his childhood. We have to find the correct part from column B. He spent most of his childhood in his own village. In his own village. It has been given in C number of column B. He spent most of his childhood in his own village. Dear students, are you writing? Okay. Let's see 3 number of column A, and we have to match this sentence from taking the next part from column B. His father loved art. His father loved art. Okay, are you writing? Thank you. Next, let's see the phone number of column A. The people of his locality. Let's see the phone number part of column A, and we have to match the sentence by taking the next part from column B. The people of his locality were culturally active. The people of his locality were culturally active. Dear students, be attentive, listen to me and try to understand. Dear students, let's see 5 number part of column A, and we have to match this sentence by taking the next part from column B. His father made him value his father made him value all forms of arts. Okay, dear students, complete your writing. I hope that you have already completed your writing. Dear students, look at the whiteboard, write the homework. Read the statement. Read the statements below and form appropriate questions for each statement. Dear students, look at the whiteboard, write the homework. B. Read the statements below and form appropriate questions for each statement. You can find this question in your English textbook, page number 98. Okay, write the homework. Dear students, don't forget to write your homework and don't forget to study at home regularly. We know that education is the backbone of a nation. Study is the main duty of a student. So we have to study regularly and attentively. Dear students, in the situation of coronavirus, you have to stay home and stay safe. You have to follow the rules. You have to follow the online class regularly. If you have any question, you can comment us. Thank you so much. Bye bye for today.